I'm Sparrow Alden. On behalf of myself and the other creative writing preceptors in space, welcome to Workshop, the heart of the creative writing sector. You are invited, but never forced, to share a few pieces of your writing during our month together. It might be a character sketch. It might be a scene all the way up to 2,000 words. What we do ask of everyone in Workshop is that you read the work of other people and comment enthusiastically as a reader who is excited to know their story, to encourage your fellow writer, and to use something we call the collaborative feedback method. Always supportive, never criticism. We're readers. We're not professional editors. We're here to love on your story and our own. So please join me. I'm so looking forward to reading your story.